Well, good spring afternoon, morning, wherever you are. It's a beautiful 70 degrees here in St. George, or at least that's what it's going to be here. Just wanted to send out this quick little spring maintenance checklist to everyone. This is nice to know whether you're deciding to sell or just want to make your home look a little nicer this spring. I was at the gym this morning and I had someone say, "What you doing this weekend?" And everyone seems to be working in their yard. So I thought I would share this spring maintenance checklist. And so glad it's finally here. As you can see here, there's a few items that we tend to ignore, especially if you have trees around your house. The gutters tend to get debris in them, whether it's leaves or needles, whatever it might be. Make sure you get those cleaned out. I've seen several times when some people don't do that, it kind of backs up the water, and you'll start finding leaks in places that you never realize. So just be aware of that, things that you don't really see. So clean out those gutters. Siding, power wash, any vinyl siding. I know here in St. George we have a lot of stucco, but power wash your driveway, power wash anywhere that kind of tends to create a little dust, dirt, spider webs. I know oftentimes if you might have those. The other thing is windows and screens. Check your screens for any holes. Replace them if necessary. Clean windows. Help you not only see outside better, but let your buyers basically focus on the view or anything that's outside. Your hot water heater. I know this is kind of tricky because most of us may not know how to lubricate the pump or motor. If you're not familiar with those parts, call a professional. I would recommend a home warranty on your home, and oftentimes if a service call, depending on your home warranty, could range from $50 to $100 to have them come out. Just make sure it looks it's running well. The other thing you can check is your roof. Any missing or loose tile, shingles. I just noticed my neighbor's house has a couple of sliding tiles. Get those pushed up because the tile is what protects your roof. The underlayment is, really, if it's exposed to water, sunlight, it'll damage it and eventually start to leak. The other thing you want to be aware of, sorry, I had a call coming in here. The other thing you want to be aware of is if you have a deck or porch, see whether or not it needs to be treated, restained. Check the railings for sturdiness. A little bit of safety issue there. Your sprinkler system, turn it on. Oftentimes you may find a leaking sprinkler, can be fixed pretty easily. Landscaping, anytime you're trying to sell your home, the first impression is always the most important. Whether you're trying to do it yourself or trying to call on a pro, make sure you trim any overgrown plants or remove weeds. Just adds a little bit more curb appeal there. Check your foundation for any sort of cracking or deterioration. There are some service professionals out there who can help you. If you need some help with that, just let me know. I do know some people who are do very well good what they do. And then, lastly, but not least, bathrooms. Inspect, in the caulking area. It's pretty cheap to caulk around your showers and sinks. Oftentimes it starts deteriorating, especially after maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Buyers want to see a full functioning bathroom and not have to worry about getting, water through the shower or sink. So again, if you need any help finding any service professionals, I've got a great list of those, from AC units to, things like that. If you're looking for painters to kind of spruce up a few things, let me know, and I'd love to help you out any way I can. And so at this point, thank you for your time this morning. Enjoy your new weekend, your spring day, and get out there and get some things done.